Caravaggio is probably the most influential artist in my work. When you look at his paintings, you're immediately confronted with this very dramatic narrative that draws you in and invites you to be part of that story. His technique was also unique. He was using a dark ground to describe masses of light and shade, which was revolutionary for his time. He used white over a dark ground in scumbles to create the effects of light and shade that we are accustomed to seeing in his works. Artists from Caravaggio's time would be using linen and wood as their supports of choice. Caravaggio used walnut oil for most of his paintings. Walnut oil alone is a bad dryer. Most artists from the 17th century would use lead dryers to ensure its right working properties. To ensure that the linen had a proper surface to receive the paint layers, artists would have to apply a ground, and to do this they would make a paste, predominantly of red ochre, calcite, and other earth pigments. During Caravaggio's time, the number of pigments available were limited, so artists had to learn the full potential of their materials and their applications.